I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics NCERT for UPSC. Start by thoroughly reading the Class 9 and 10 NCERT textbooks. These provide a crucial foundation for understanding basic economic principles. Pay close attention to definitions of key terms such as gross domestic product, inflation, and different types of markets. Ensure you grasp these fundamental concepts before progressing to more complex material. This initial step is vital for building a strong base. Next, move on to the Class 11 and 12 NCERT, which delve deeper into macroeconomics. Here, you'll explore topics such as national income accounting, the role of the Reserve Bank of India, and various banking systems. It's important to not just memorize, but to analyze how these concepts apply to the Indian economy. Try to link the theories you learn with current economic events and policies for better retention and understanding. Adopt a thematic approach to your study, grouping related topics from different NCERT together. For instance, study all aspects of poverty or unemployment across various chapters. Make sure to create concise, handwritten notes for quick revision, focusing on key definitions, formulas, and important committees. Don't overlook the charts, graphs, and data provided in the textbooks. They offer valuable insights and help visualize economic trends effectively. Finally, practice is paramount. Solve previous year's UPSC questions to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and question types. Continuously integrate current economic affairs with your NCERT knowledge. This helps in applying concepts and understanding their relevance. Read economic news and government reports regularly. And hey, if you're looking for some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the links in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.